The Evans Family Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.
The most common form of name changes that we experience for adults, on the other hand, is through divorce. In particular, wives who want to change their names after divorce and take on their maiden name or maybe other name. It frankly is kind of a painful situation, especially if the wives have carried the name of their husband for a long time. It's easy enough on the court order. The court can simply declare, it's basically a one-sentence declaration that your name was this and it's now changed to this. And with that, you can get a certified copy of the orders, and we'll get that for you at the courthouse. But then you go through the process of changing your driver's license, of changing your Social Security, any other official government documents, maybe passports, voter registrations and things like that. And none of those organizations speak to one another, and so you have to go to each individual organization, oftentimes with a separate certified copy. And so it depends on the person, if they want to change their name, or the wife typically, and if they do, that's the process they would have to follow. Another common name change for adults is when kiddos age out of a family. We recently had a case that involved that, where a daughter, a stepdaughter in that case, had turned 18, was coming on 19, and really had a troubled relationship with her real biological father. Had spent the last 8 years being raised by her stepfather, had a very special relationship with him, and as a Christmas present to him, she came and hired me. And got her name changed to reflect that of her stepfather. And that later turned into an adult adoption, where the stepfather then came and the family came back and hired us, and we turned that into an adoption of an adult, and so she became his daughter. And so, but that's another common circumstance where folks might want to change their names, is if they age out and they become an adult, or emancipate, as we say under the law. They can come and petition the court for themselves to change their own name.
When life's path takes an unplanned turn, call the Evans Family Law Group for a consultation at 628-2550. The Evans Family Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.